So, hello, namaskar, and welcome everyone. Welcome to this webinar we have scheduled, and I welcome you to today's webinar that is on a very interesting topic. You can say that is next gen tax audits and automating a test of AI. Once again, to join us with this webinar on this Saturday evening. And on our panel, we have CA Manoj Lamba sir, who will be there with us in the session. And we also have our business associate, Mr. Suresh Ji from Tamil Nadu, queries in your local language also. So with this, I once again welcome everybody to today's discussion that is going to be on artificial intelligence, that how it can automate your practice, your daily routine task, your GST practice, your income tax practice. So I will be demonstrating you AI tools that we have built in our team with our experience of chartered accountant. So basically talking about AI, if you see, this AI is a very vast term. If we talk about artificial intelligence, if you say intelligence that is controlled by a robot, so it is an artificial intelligent concept. But when we talk about AI tools, if you talk about journal LLM tools that are into picture, if you say the craze of this AI thing started with this chat GPT. If you remember the days when in early 2022 or mid 21 the chat GPT was launched, it was into craze that it is a generative thing that can give replies to your queries. Anything you know, anything you want to ask, it can reply. But with the technological advancements growing, and in the last few times, we have seen the AI expanding at a very rapid pace. Now we can see how AI is transforming the way we used to work, how AI is defining the ways we can work faster. Taking for an example, if a notice reply drafting took 1 week time or a full 1 day, that was being done in a single day can be done in 1 hour. The task which used to be compiled within a single week can be done within few hours. So this is the power of AI, that is even saving time, improving efficiency, and increasing the productivity of our work. So, with this note, I would like to go through the various tools that we are going to discuss. So, once again, welcome the participants who have joined late. So, what I am going to do is share my screen with you and demonstrate the live tools with you. So, as you have seen while registering for the webinar is on the topic for two tools that we are going to discuss. That is one for GST practice, that is GSTivity AI, and the second for income tax practice, that is Taxpedia AI, in which we are going to discuss Kar Setu AI module. So I once request everyone present in the webinar to kindly mark their attendance by writing their name and city in the chat section. Meanwhile, I am sharing my screen, and all the participants who have joined from different corners of the country are requested to kindly enter their name and city in the chat section as a mark of attendance. So, I would like to share my screen also. So, I have shared my screen, and I would like to take you directly to the AI tool that is transforming the way we work. So, let me take you to the first AI tool that I'm going to present before you, that our team has built, that is GSTivity AI. And this GSTivity AI, I would like to address little bit before we proceed to the tool. What this GSTivity AI is? You can see the GST Act came into picture back in 2017, and from the day this Act it is into the picture, so many amendments, so many notifications, circulars have been continuously coming on our way. So the tool GSTivity AI helps you study the GST law, helps you study the entire act, rules, circulars, notifications, everything you can study under one roof. Another thing you can do is your research part. You can do various research on various judicial precedents, various notifications, you can get a summarized report, various rules you can decode. So you can do the research part also. And the main USP that this GSTivity AI will perform is the drafting function. This tool will help you prepare the entire replies to your show cause notices under assessment and notices, entire appeal, that is form APL 01, along with written submissions, ground of appeals, everything I will show you with the help of just few clicks we can prepare. After that, you can even prepare high court, supreme court drafting, you can prepare for drafting for advanced ruling, you can prepare writs. So I will be showing you the drafting capabilities that this tool has. So firstly, I request you to create your account that is free. If you go on this portal, that is GSTai.online, and go to this create account button, this form will appear and you can create your account. So for a while, what I am doing, I am pasting this link in the chat section, and you are kindly requested to first create your accounts. So I am just pasting it in the chat section. Just wait a minute. Yes. So I have pasted a link in the chat section that you can open and create your free account. Then you can request a free trial and you will be able to get a trial after the session ends. So you are requested to go to GSTai.online website or directly refer the link in the chat section and first prepare your account. So I am pausing here. So I am pausing here for just 1 minute. You are requested to go to the chat section and open the link, the description link I have given, and create your accounts there. So I'm just waiting for you. The link has been pasted in the chat section. So once all the people watching are requested to create their accounts there. Once you have created the account, kindly message in the chat section with a thumbs up or a message that account created, and then you can refer to the trial option. The 10-day trial we are providing, you can request that trial, and after the webinar ends, your trials will be getting activated. So once again, I am requesting everyone who are in the session are requested to join through the link provided in the comment section. You can create your free account there. So once you are done, kindly message in the comment section that we have created our account. This is the form you have to fill. It will hardly take only 1 minute. Kindly once give a thumbs up that you have prepared your accounts, because I can see currently many of you have not created the account. So I request you to create the account, then only we will be able to proceed and show you the demo ahead. So I have placed the link in the chat section also. I am once again pasting the link. So the people who have joined late, I have pasted a link in the chat section. You all are requested to kindly create an account on the given link so that your trials can be activated after the webinar ends. just message once done. I once again request that whoever has not created the link, kindly create it. So we are just proceeding within 30 seconds. Meanwhile, all the participants who join late proceed with the account creation. Then only you will be able to get the benefit for understanding that what the tool is about. Okay, I think maximum of you have created your accounts. So let's start the demo for the AI tool. I am just sharing my screen again. So once you have prepared your account and your trial gets activated, you will see this kind of a screen. That is your dashboard window. So we have split this GSTivity AI tool into two modules. The number one module is, you can see here, that is the GSTivity drafting module. In this module, you can draft replies for the first appeal. You can prepare your GST AI drafting. So this is a module in this tool. And the second module is GSTVD study and research. Here you can study the entire act, rules, forms, circulars, search judicial precedents from Supreme Court, High Court, GST 80, advanced ruling. We have an AI assistant here in the study and research module. So taking it a little bit deep, that this GSTivity AI tool is split up into two modules. The number one module is GSTivity drafting module, and the number two is GSTivity study and research. And with this, we have few add-on features as well. So, taking you to the first module, that is GSTivity drafting module. So I hope everyone in the webinar have prepared their accounts and you are ready to go with the demo now. So you can see here, we have the first option, that is dashboard. On the dashboard, you can check your entire thing, that how many active matters are there, pending appeals, how many notices have been recorded, draft reply, direct buttons have been there. Like you can ask AI draft reply directly from here. All the modules that are in the tool are present on the dashboard itself. And this is the diary function. I will be showing which cases are coming. So you can maintain your entire digital diary here. How many appeals you have prepared, you can check the recent matter. So this is a complete dashboard which gives you the access to the entire tool. So the first option here is the dashboard thing, that is a simple option. After that, the first thing is assessment and notice module in the drafting section. So with this module, you just have to upload the show cause notice, and your entire drafting of the reply will be done in few minutes. All the decoding of the notice will be done with the help of AI without writing a single word. So I will be demonstrating that how I can upload the show cause notice, how it will decode the entire thing, and how my reply will be framed. So what I have to do, you can see a upload notice button here. This is for the option if I have to upload a notice. But before I upload a specific notice, I would like to show you the USB feature of this tool, that we have given you 335 sample templates here. If I enable this show samples here, you see, I click on this all of the matters are highlighted here, and I can select any of the matter and prepare the draft reply with regard to that matter. So already 335 samples are given here. On different matters you can check. So many samples are there, and matter wise it has been segregated. Suppose you want to check on ITC. So here different matters with respect to various circumstances are there. Like you can check here excess ITC claimed beyond rule 36.45% cap, ITC mismatch. So various certain circumstances and samples has been given. So you can refer to this sample if you wish, or for the time being you can also hide this sample if you want to work of your own. So this is the first thing, that samples has been provided. Now, if I have got a show cause notice, suppose for example, I will show you a show cause notice that one of my client has received. So this is a dummy notice with dummy data. So you can see show cause notice issued under section 73 of CGST Act. So this is DIN number, date of issue, DIN, financial year. So various data has been incorporated in this show cause notice. So this is a dummy document that is prepared for the demonstration purpose only. You can see this is a show cause notice I have received. So what I will do, I will go on to the GSTivity AI tool, and here I can see this upload notice button. Clicking on this upload notice button, what I will do, I will select the show cause notice I have received. Suppose I will just open it up. Now the entire task is of AI. It is see decoding this notice, that regarding what thing this notice is, the party name, the GST details. See, within just 5 seconds, it has decoded the entire notice, and it is showing me the key issues in the notice, the ITC mismatch, blocked credit, and for what matter it is related. If I go to demand mark, you can see the taxpayer has been automatically identified, the GSTI number it has automatically fetched, for which period it pertains, and by which day the reply has to be filed. So everything it has incorporated in it automatically just by uploading the show cause notice. So the another USP, the second USP is that you need not write any prompt for it. Just upload the show cause notice and get the entire notice decoded for you. So now the topic comes to prepare the reply for this notice. So if you go downside, this is your notice on which you are working. Here you find this simple button, that is generate reply with AI. In this you have various different tones. We have given you 6 different tones, like you want to prepare a conservative reply or a aggressive reply, a technical or procedural facts reply, a fact based reply, you want to a settlement theme reply. So you can select the various modes. The conservative mode is a, you can say, pre-default selected module. You can add on with the various modules, like I can give it conservative, technical, or a aggressive tone. So I have selected these 3 modes. It is saying conservative plus technical plus aggressive. So I've selected that now tone of the reply I want to draft. Now here I have to add facts or client instruction. Suppose I want to add something, I want to write something about the type of reply I want, or any facts about the case, I can write it here. After that, you will see this beautiful button, generate reply. I will just click on this button, generate reply. Now you will see the magic that within 1 minute, a beautiful reply will be prepared. Just wait for 1 minute and see the magic on your screens. And the people who are joining now, there is a link in the chat section that has been pasted earlier. So you are requested to go to that link and create your free accounts for your trial activation. So see, Within the time I gave relief to my throat with water, my reply has been prepared, sir. The entire reply you can see on the screen, it has been prepared. Preliminary submissions, facts of the case, point why replies to allegation, legal arguments, annexure and evidence mapping, prayer verification, everything has been prepared. Now, sir, if we prepare a reply on any other LLM tool, say Chat, GPT, or Claude, what happens there? The reply is prepared. We have to copy the reply, paste in the Word document again and again, resize it, reset it, make it a complete justify font. We have to set it and make it presentable one, and we cannot directly edit there. So we have given a button here, editable preview. Here your entire problems get end. If you click on this editable preview button and click on this edit, you can directly edit everything right from here and save that thing. Suppose you do not want to edit here, we have given a button here that is export in Word. You can directly export the entire reply in fully drafted Word file. I will show you. I have exported in Word. I do not need to copy paste it up and then it will appear in Word. You can see here my entire reply that I has prepared has been prepared in the Word format. You can see a 5-page detailed reply with legal arguments here, annexures and evidence mapping, prayer, verification is coming. If you see above, allegation, reply to allegation, that is point wise, that is allegation number 1. Suppose excess claim of ITC of this rupees in 3B as compared to 2B. So what is the rebuttal? So everything you can see, it is here, facts of the case, and in the above section you can see preliminary submissions, and this is the header to whom this reply is submitted. So this is, you can directly download in the Word format. If you want in PDF, you have made the changes here, you can directly download in the PDF section also. And if you want to refine, you are not satisfied the reply with it has prepared, here is a very important button, that is refine with AI. Here you can make it more aggressive, you want to shorten it, you can do, you want to elaborate it, you can do, you want to add certain judicial precedent in it, you can do. If you want to attach some files, like you already prepared a drafted reply, you want to incorporate some judicial precedent you have, you can attach that file and then give it the command as you give a command to journal LM tool. That thing we have also added, that it is not only that AI is working, you can also apply your NI along with AI. You can use your natural intelligence also by pasting your research work or any instruction you want to give it here and give it the command through this button, and your help with NI and the combination of AI will prepare a beautiful reply. So again, AI is not here to replace the tax professionals. It is here to assist them, make them more productive, make them more effective. So this button is all about that thing. So this is the first module I showed you, that how you can prepare a reply to a show cause notice. After that, I would like to go to the second module, that is commissioner appeals, that is preparing first appeal. Now, what we have to do to prepare a first appeal? So I will not generate everything here because so many things are there, like written submission, grounds of appeal. So what I have done, I will show you the button that how you have to do everything, but I have already generated certain things. I will show you that. So see here, what you have this button directly to upload order in original. So for example, I have already a dummy order with me. I will show you. So you can see this is order in original. This is again a dummy or sample data. You can see a complete order in original is there. Okay, you can see on your screens a complete order in original is there. So what I will do, I will again go back to my tool, and I have this button upload order in original. I will upload I will choose the file. That is, I will choose the file, order in original, open it. And there is again a button, auto fetch details. Now it is reading the entire order and will auto fetch the entire details regarding this order. Just wait for another 30 seconds. Entire particulars will be extracted. See, just in 10 seconds, entire meta title, tax payer, GST date, order number, tax period, tax interest penalty, everything has been established here. I now click on this button, create appeal. So once I create appeal, you will see here this kind of tab will be created. Now suppose I will open by clicking on this or clicking on this arrow button, I will open this appeal. I want to show you something. I will open this appeal, suppose which is same. So here you can see, and the various options are given in this box. So here the party name is coming, here the tax amount, interest penalty, the pre-deposit amount that you have to do, that is 10% of the tax pre-deposit amount is coming here. So now what you have to do to prepare your first appeal, everything drafting can be done here. I will you showing you a glimpse of that. Here in the overview tab, you can add any counsel note. Suppose you want to add some internal observation, client instruction, you want to add your personal comments, you can add in this counsel notes button, then you can save it, and next time you go to this tab, everything will be there for you. Then second option is limitation and condonation. Suppose I have put the date, that is 1st of August 2026. So this is a limitation tracker. We have to file the appeal within 3 months. So it is showing that is 31st October 26, and we can condone the delay for further 1 month, that is 30th of November 2026. So it is showing me the 30 days limit is left here, and it is within the time limit. It is not time barred. You can prepare the reply. Suppose we have to, this 3 month time is lapsed and we are into condonation of delayed period. So we have given here entire list of documents here only that has to be prepared for preparing an application for condonation of delay. Not only the list has been given here. If you go downside, a specimen draft formats has also been provided. Suppose application for condonation of delay, click on this prepared draft. A format has been provided for it, like you can see it with the party details. It has prepared all the conditions, all the documents, application for condonation of delay, affidavit in support of condonation, declaration you can prepare, pre-deposit intimation letter you can prepare. So here everything you are saying covering letter for condonation set, that you can prepare. So here you can see we have given a complete kit for the application for condonation of delay. You can prepare that thing also from the limitation and condonation tab. Suppose leave this aside. Now you want to analyze the order first. So like you will just click on this attach file button and upload the order again. And once it gets attached, it will read the file and you have to run order analysis. So I have already done the order analysis, so I will not run it again to show you that this is the thing appears, that it analyzes the order, identifies the procedural things in that, success probability, natural justice violation. So for the capacity of building statement of facts, grounds of appeal, it automatically fetches the details from order in original and feeds it in the memory. So after the order has been analyzed by AI, now comes the drafting part. That is preparing statement of facts, grounds of appeal, written submission. So statement of facts you see first. Here you have to select the tone, and here you will give notes for AI. You want to give some kind of context, you want to cite some judgment, so you can write in the notes for AI. See, sir, anything you want to ask to AI to do, write in notes. And suppose you want to attach some file. So we have given this attach file button. You can attach the image or the PDF file here. It will fetch that and then generate the statement of facts. So you can see here, I have generated the statement of facts here, and this is how it appears. So you can see entire 10 statement of facts has been generated by AI. I have already generated it because if I generate here in the live webinar, again 2 to 3 minutes for each generation will take. So I have already generated for you. And if you want to refine it, you can again attach the file if you want for some kind and refine it with the AI by giving it a little background or instruction you want to give. You can again refine it. Similar manner, grounds of appeal are there like legal, factual, jurisdictional, natural justice. Suppose here you can see grounds of appeal on the basis of legal matters has been prepared, factual grounds it has prepared. So you can prepare on various grounds. Suppose I want to prepare on procedural grounds of appeal. I will add the instruction here and click generate ground. So you will see here it will prepare on the procedural grounds as well. Just wait. Yes, ground added. So you can see procedural aspects also. Okay, so this was about grounds of appeal. Then comes the written submission. You can prepare the written submission again. The tone, variant, notes, attach file, that options are same for everything. And you click on this generate button, everything will be generated here. This is for prayer and verification clause. And after you prepare everything, this is a pre-filled GST APL1 file that is ready for you. You can see here on the screen, it is pre-filled GST APL01. This is how it appears. And after that, there are some kind of advanced options. You can check that when you use the trial or when you will subscribe to the tool. So these are some kind of additional options we have provided. You can use that also. The main options are these only. And after that, we have a button for final compilation. Everything once it is drafted, you can download in the Word or PDF format. So like I am downloaded in the Word. So like everything I have prepared, you can get a compiled PDF or a Word document will get generated in this manner. So see, it is a final compilation that has been prepared. This is a summary of Form APL01, grounds of appeal that it has prepared. This is a summary of Form APL01, grounds of appeal that it has prepared on 3 grounds. Then statement of facts it has prepared. Prayer and verification we not drafted, that is prepared this. And then written submission is coming. And after that prayer and verification we can enter. And these are the various things we do not prepare. So after we prepare, a complete compilation PDF or Word document will get generated in this manner. So this was a little overview of the Commissioner Appeals tab, that how you can prepare the entire first appeal drafting. And similar way, you can also refer to GST 80 drafting. Same in the advanced ruling options are there. Appeal draft can be done. Appeal draft drafting can be done. We want to draft a writ petition. High Court or Supreme Court writ can be drafted under it. So these various options are there. You can once also in your trials when it is activated. So this was about the first module, that is GSTivity drafting module. That is about GSTivity drafting module. Then sir, we have this add-on features. I will show you one of the most unique feature of this tool. So before we proceed on to the tool, I would request again everyone that I will paste it again once for your notes and get your free trials activated after the webinar. So I am once again pasting the chat link in the chat section. So check in the comment section, the link is being posted. You can go to that link, create your account and get your free trials activated. Now, coming back to the tool again. So this was the we covered. Now feature that is add-on feature, that is GST e-consult. So what this feature is, any matter, anything about GST they want to ask with you. So you can prepare your link, like you can see this details you can fill once this page is activated. This is an additional feature other than tool. So I will create this link. You copy this link and share with your client. Suppose once you will get the access, you can create this entire link, this that you need to subscribe. So you can see this kind of form will get to your client. So you have this link like gstai.online ask. So this link will be prepared with your name. Like suppose Mr. Suresh has joined. So gstai.online has slash ask slash Mr. Suresh. So his page will be created in his account. So he shares that link with his client. So this is my page. I have to share with my client. So client enters his name, email, mobile, GST number, for what matter the query is, urgency, subject, query. If he wants to attach some files or wants to ask by putting a voice message, he can do that. And after everything has been done, the most important aspect comes, that is the fee. The client needs to pay your consultation fee right in the front. He pays the fee, copy the payment reference number here, and then the query will be submitted. Before submitting the payment, the query will not get submitted. He needs to pay to your scanner, and then the query of the client gets submitted, and it reflects in your portal like this. All the new queries that will coming in this new segment, and all the queries, all it will show all the queries. Like suppose one of my client, I show you example, has given a query here, that is IDC prior to registration. You will get this query that client has asked, that is ITC prior to registration. Suppose you want to discuss something about the input tax credit, that is prior to registration. So I can track the fees, whether it has paid or not, how much was the fees, whether we have received the fees or not, date of the fee payment. I can track it and check here only. Now with the help of I can draft the entire reply in English and Hindi language. Suppose I want to answer to the query of the client. Here you can see I can answer it on my drafted letterhead. One letterhead will appear, and we have given three different formats for letterhead. One is this, one is this, and one is this. Three different letterhead formats are there. So you can prepare the consultation advisory with the help of AI. You can see here the advisory has been prepared with the help of AI, and you can prepare in both language. Suppose I select English and redraft with AI. And if AI drafted something, I want to refine it, again refine with AI is pretty much easy. You see, now my entire consultation to the query has been drafted in the English language. You can see, and you can see here it is not that it is just giving the advice, it is also mentioning the sections that is had referred, the rules it has referred, the statutory forms it has referred, everything. You can see circulars, notification it is referred, judicial precedents it is showing. So everything you can manage here and give the reply to your client's query directly in your letterhead format, beautifully drafted. You can again download it in the PDF or the Word file. Suppose I download in the PDF, you will see like this kind of reply to your client has been generated here. Okay, and then after everything has been done, you can give a correspondence like meeting if something is scheduled or the advice is submitted. You can log that also in this trial. So this is how you can charge for the free advices that clients want to ask, but that is having your worth of time, value, knowledge. So you can create this link and share with your respected client, dear sir, kindly ask a query through this link and pay my consultation fees. Then you will get a beautifully drafted reply to your query. So this is an USP feature of this tool, that is an add-on. So I will tell on about this thing also, that how add-on can be added after subscription. So this was about add-on thing. Now the second module, that was about study and research. I will put some light on this. So you can see here this CGST Act is coming. Suppose I will show you schedule 1 2 3 are here, all the 174 sections are here. I want to read some. Suppose let's say section number 16, eligibility and condition for taking ITs. Read. So see, it is directly fetching from CBIC website. See here, sir. Eligibility and condition for taking ITC. It is showing. So this is the real section, the actual section it is showing me. I want to summarize it and read, want to generate the you can read any section, generate summary, commentary, or reckoners for them. This every rule along with chapter number has been placed here. You can generate the summary for the rule as well with help of this AI button from CPIC. From here the CGST notifications up to date, sir. You can see till 16th of August, all the notifications that have come are into this place. All the 722 notifications that department has issued for GST till date are here. So you can get whole of the notification regarding the different matters. Suppose I want to about exemption notification. So it is showing notification it has been issued till date. So all the notifications up to date are covered here. You can filter it year wise, series wise, according to the category wise. You can do that thing. That is under the notification tab. Circulars are here. You can search various circulars. Talking about the judicial precedents, as I was telling you, that now we are building this precedent tab also, and till date 330 fetch. You can say from High Court, Supreme Court, GSTAT, Sistat, or advanced ruling decision. So it is fetching that judgment, and you can search it according to various matter for your research purpose. So we are continuously updating this. It is a continual updating process. From the date of 1st April when we started to develop this tool, all the judgments are feeded in this, and you can check that for the research purpose. Then sir comes AI assistant. That is a chat GPT thing for GST AI. On the back end, we have placed the entire knowledge bank for GST. So you can ask any question, it can reply like a chat GPT does. I will not like to demonstrate further, because a journal query you can ask, it will answer as ChatGPT does, because it is a specific engine for GST. ChatGPT is basically a journal tool for whole of the world. It has not been crafted for a tax professional need or a chartered accountant need. It is a journal tool that has been crafted for all of the world need. But this GSTI is a specific to the point reply for GST law only it can provide you. After that, the last thing, we have placed some GST practitioner toolkit calculators here. Like if you talk about this HSN and GST classification expert, suppose I want to search the HSN rate. Suppose I want to search for ebooks. I write ebooks here and mass classify with AI. So you can see here that it is showing that this is the SAC code for the ebooks and GST rate should be 5%. I am surprised at why it is 5%. Because sir, it is showing me with the entire thing that 5% rate for ebooks is well established in Jan 2018. Risk arises only if ebook is bundled with other service like software tool, interactive assessment, or you can say it is a online interactive thing, not the entire copy of a simple book, a simple paper book. So if it is the copy, a digital copy of your physical handbook, then the rate of 5% should apply. It is saying with 95% confidence. The litigation risk is low. What are the alternative classifications? The circulars referred for this rate it is showing. The various case law or advanced ruling it is referred for getting to this conclusion. What is the practical recommendation it is giving? So you can check the rates, HSN code for various products or services to this calculator. Another calculator is rule 4243. Suppose you want to calculate a business, who's a hospital business, we have an example here, whose some ITC or some services are exempt and some are taxable. So to calculate that how much ITC is to be reversed, this calculator, if you provide the data here, like total ITC, non-business exempt, a calculation of data is there, it will calculate that what is the total reversal amount in GST 3B. So this is the various rule 42 also, 43 also, various calculators are here. So you can calculate this thing also. I will not go deep with the low aspects. You will know that you can calculate rule 42 as well 43 calculations with this calculator. Also, we have this. I will go back. We have this late fee calculator that you can use. Like it can calculate your interest late fees. You can see here that what is the interest late fees. It can calculate it as well. It is section 15 trust plus late fee for R13BR rate 9 return. So it can calculate that. Currently we are working on many more calculators and we have made only 5 live which are functioning to some extent, and we are coming soon with so many calculators as well that will be into picture. So we have made a few calculators live as soon as other live. One last important feature is e-diary. Here you can maintain your entire cases that are coming on your way. Here you need to enter the entry. Suppose you enter that case name, date, when it is scheduled, online or physical. It will show you in this manner that, suppose I open the calendar, that on this day, this case is due. It will show you here that on this day this case was due. How many are overdue? It will completely show you that thing also. So this is an important thing, that is you can maintain your entire e-diary, because every time is a confusion that which date is last for which client, we may miss some time, when is virtual hearing. So through this calendar for 1 month you can enter all those things. Whenever new reply you have prepared, you new order comes, new shockers notice you have done, so everything you have come, you can enter in this diary and maintain a complete track of your client's litigation. So this is e-diary, and everything you do, it's stored in the my working in your cloud provided with your email ID. So here you can check every work I have done is my working. So this was about the second module, that is GSTivity Study and Research. So this was all about this tool, that is GSTivity AI. Now, this two module pricing, we have given the whole of this tool is priced into two modules. I have told you both of the module. I have showed you the drafting module as well. The add-on features I have shown you. I have shown you the study and research features. Now coming to the pricing aspect of this tool, very nominal, very affordable. If you open the subscription plan, you will have this very affordable pricing, a yearly subscription. Suppose you want to buy only drafting module, you do not want study and research, you want only this aspect of the tool, you can buy it just for 3000 plus GST yearly subscription. And if you want to buy study and research, do not want to buy GST drafting, you can again go for 3000 plus GST. But if you are liking the entire tool, entire suit you want to buy, that is priced at 5000 plus GST full year. And these are already at 50%. Actual price of the tool is 10,000 and per module it is 6,000. But till 31st of August, the 50% pricing discount is there. So these nominal prices are applicable till 31st August only. You can check the pricing aspect. And one more exciting bonus for the people who have joined for the today's webinar. We have a promo code for you. Suppose you apply OwnSport5. The code is OwnSport5 and apply here. You get an additional 5% off. So your 5,000 gets to 250 off and your subscription gets to 5% off, and you save 295 rupees on full subscription. So the people have joined the webinar, you can directly apply this code after the webinar end, or within this webinar only. You can apply this promo code and get an additional 5% off, so you can make the savings. And this promo code will be active till tomorrow midnight. You can apply this code and get additional 5%. And I once all request that I am again pasting the link for the tool. You at least create your account, use the trial. We will also provide the trial. You can use the trial and then use it for 1 or 2 days and then subscribe. And if you have got an idea, if I am showing you the demo, while I am showing the demo, you have got the idea that how this tool works, you can also subscribe now and get that additional discount also. So once again, I am pasting the link of the account creation. Many people joined late, so I am pasting the link of the tool again. I request again everyone to go to the comment section, create your account. We are taking a pause for 2 to 3 minutes, and who have watched the entire demo of this GSTivity AI tool, kindly give your valuable feedback that did you like the tool, which feature you felt are missing, which feature you appreciate, yet how amazing it was to see that how AI is drafting everything so quickly. So what was your overall feedback? Kindly provide that thing also. And I once again request you to subscribe now and get the whole of the tool. So once you are done with your account creation, give your feedback also for GSTivity AI, and then in the next 15 minutes, I will give you a glimpse of our another tool, that is Textpedia. I will not take that much of time in that tool. I'll just give an idea that what that tool is about. First, I request you to create your accounts for this GST AI. The link has been pinned in the chat section also. So we are just taking a pause for 2 minutes and giving you time to create your accounts. So I can see some of the people have created the account. The rest of the participants who have not created, kindly create it. Then only you can use the trial version after creating your account. And the people who want to subscribe can subscribe by applying the code ONSPOT5. You will get an additional 5% off. So kindly once write in chat section also. How was the feedback? So I think you have created your account for GST AI. So I think it was a useful tool and you will be exploring it in the coming days. Now I will be showing you the another tool that is going to be a very feature worthy in your practice, very important for your practice, that is Textpedia AI. Link for which I have pasted the domain link. There also you can create your accounts and get your trials activated. I am pasting the link for another tool as well and taking you to the stage. Okay. So this is our second tool that we are going to discuss in next 15 to 20 minutes. That is Textpedia AI. So in this Textpedia AI, we have two modules. The number one module is Kar Setu AI, and number two module is Textpedia Income Tax Practice and Drafting. Income tax practice and drafting. So I will give you a glimpse of that what features are in this tool. So you go to this website, that is www.karsetu.online. I am also pasted the link in the chat section. Kindly create your accounts on this as well. If you go and get started button, it is here, get started button. Click on this button, get your account prepared, and once we activate it, click on this login button. Suppose I will log in with my credentials and I sign up. Okay, so this is again the dashboard window I am appearing. So you see here again there are two modules. One is Kar Setu Study and Research. Second is Textpedia Drafting and IT Practice. So if you talk about this Kar Setu Study and Research module, how it came into picture. Like you see, the new Income Tax Act 2025 is in force from 1st of April 2026. So you can see that this new act is into picture. The confusion regarding section number, form number, rule number is there. How to read this new act with new section number? Until date, we were even not confident of all the section numbers of 1961 Act, 1962 rules, how we can so quickly learn onto this change, learn onto the changes, the comparative analysis that has to be made in the two sections. So how we can do that? So this feature came into limelight with that problem that professionals were facing. So I would like to show you the first USP feature of this tool of the Kar Setu module. So Kar Setu means tax bridge. Kar means tax and Setu in Hindi is meaning of bridge. So it is a bridge between Income Tax Act 1961 and Income Tax Act 2025. So you see here Section Setu, the tax bridge of Section Setu. You have to select here the act. Suppose I select here Income Tax Act 1961. I search the section number here. Suppose I search here section number, for example, 139. So as I selected section 139, you see here on the screen that it is showing it is section 139 return of income in Income Tax Act 1961, and it has become section 263 in the new Income Tax Act 2025. And you can see here a complete analysis in comparative form is here, and you can create a comparison PDF that which words have been replaced, which have been removed, what is the impact on taxpayer, what is the professional advice. So you can generate that entire thing just by comparing on this download comparison PDF. So I click on this download comparison. So I've already prepared some reports I will show. So here I go to section reports. So one thing I can generate is the entire comparative analysis. Along with that, suppose I enable this, meanwhile it will generate. Along with that, entire professional commentary, entire ready reckoner can be generated. If you want to write an article on a certain section, article you can write. You want to generate a PPT for a certain section, PPT can be generated. I have generated a few samples, I will show you that as well. You want to generate frequently asked question, you can generate that. You want to generate MCQs, case studies, visual infographics, like you see today on the WhatsApp, you get a very beautiful infographic regarding a section number. Suppose you get an infographic regarding tax audits, so it is very easy to understand, and you share with your professional peers, you share it with your clients, they get the value added from you. So you can share the infographics as well and generate everything from this section report button. So once it is generated, everything will be saved in this knowledge bank. Everything will be saved here in this research hub button. Research hub, you can see research hub, you can see here infographic, article. Suppose I will show you one of the infographic I generated. This is for section 247. It is for search and seizure, it is showing. So applies to primary trigger, authorized scope, reporting form, the search cycle. So this kind of beautiful infographic you can generate for any section. Suppose this is for section 263, that is return of income I was saying. So this is thing, it is showing me a complete article regarding section 296, time limit for completion of block assessment as well. One more thing I will show you here. So it is, you can generate the case studies as well. And just wait. See, the case studies in Hindi language. So in both comparative PDF has been ready. I will show you that. So this is the comparative PDF that is ready. So I prepared the comparative PDF now. So see, this is the complete section under 1961, 139 section. Return of income. After that, it has provided me number 263, that is return of income of new income tax act. Again, now after the sections, the main USP thing, that is the comparative analysis report, AI deep analysis. This is the thing that this tool is performing very good. People who are using are very happy with this report. Like, it shows you executive summary first. Side by side comparison table is there, that what was the section number in this act, that act, what was the changes that has been made, what is the key terminology that has been changed. Suppose previous year, assessment year, due date, now tax year word is there, financial year word is there, it is showing. The red text you are seeing here has been removed and the green text here has been added. Suppose it is showing the fundamental updated from previous year to tax year. Certain new things added are highlighted in the green and the removed ones are highlighted in the red. Here you can see the intent, that why it was changed. After that, you can see the practical impact that is going to be on taxpayers. What are the action points for professional, the complete conclusion. So this is how you can comparatively read the two sections. So this I have shown you for sections. Similarly, you can compare two rules. Suppose I want to compare form 3CD. So now it is a consolidated form that is under section 63 form 26. It is showing me. I can download the PDF. I can do the AI analysis with this button also. Similarly, here you can find the rules. Here you can select any rule number and find that what rule number is here in the new section. So this is same thing you can do for rules and forms also. One user is writing subscribed for trial, have email that your trial is activated. So you have done your job. After that, you can see here complete notification and circle like I showed you for the GST. Here also every week all the notification and circulars that are issued by department are posted here only, right at one place. After that, here we have a branding studio for you where so many different creative like due date reminders, mark will be shared and you can prepare in your brand name. Like you can see a complete poster here, and under this your brand name will come automatically with AI. Once you have to set, all the posters will be prepared with your branded name. Here you can set your branding profile with this button. After that, we have a very important amazing feature for the new Gen Z people or the people who have a creative mind to write blogs on the web, want to write articles. So you can draft your blogs right from here with this Kar Setu feature only. Here you can draft the showing you. This is one of the blog on virtual digital assets, cryptocurrency aspects. You can say it has wrote that virtual digital assets complete article or blog with examples as well. So this was about the first module in Kar Setu, that is Kar Setu study and research. It is for your study and research purpose. Anything of research you want to. So this is the first module, and you would be very surprised to know the pricing of this is 2500 rupees. We have priced it at just rupees 2500 rupees. If I show you, if I open Kar Setu AI.online or TaxPDI.online, go to the pricing aspects. This module is priced at only 2500 plus GST, and it is not the monthly subscription. This is a yearly subscription. For the full year, you pay only 2500 plus GST. You understand, if you purchased a heavy book, a heavy commentary or reckoner, it cost around 6,000, 7,000, and that too you cannot carry at every place. But the entire act, rule, notification, you are carrying that too with the power of AI in just rupees 2500 right from your smartphone. So that thing we have built here. So the first module here is Kar Setu AI. I have given you a short glimpse for that thing. Another thing we have in this tool is Taxpedia drafting and IT practice. That is regular basis we are improving that, and so many features are here in this Taxpedia drafting and IT practice. First, you can see we have from admin desk, like we upload various guidance notes that are here, various circulars, various update or press releases are there. Any material we find that it would be useful for professionals, we upload it at the admin desk. You will get here. After that, we have a very interesting feature here, legal opinions. Suppose like I was showing you e-consult for GST. I was showing you e-consult for GST. There you were preparing the advisory for the client queries. In a similar pattern, if you want to get a legal opinion on a certain situation, you can draft your opinion and AI will frame it for you. Like you see, I have prepared for taxability of compensation received on compulsory acquisition of agriculture land. So on this matter, I have prepared a detailed opinion, detailed legal opinion, and I can download it in the right PDF or Word. On the top right, you can see this button, and here you can see the entire legal opinion for you. Here you can see, if we download in the Word, it will come title, opinion, addressee, summary, all the thing is covered here. You can see here for the issues you asked for the legal opinion, it is giving the reply, that it is giving the opinion that for that issue, what is the opinion. After that, you can see here notification analyzer. Any notification you want to analyze, suppose this is a notification circular regarding DIN, that is circular number 4/26, document identification DIN regime. So you can decode this entire notification of circular right from here. It is notification circular 360-degree analyzer. So you can decode using notification analyzer. Same, you can give a draft notice to it and it will prepare a draft reply for you. Suppose I have uploaded few notices here. You just give it a notice. Suppose you can see notice identification, section invoked, section 271 AAC, subsection 1, DIN number, assessment year, everything you can see. It has recorded the entire notice. What is the procedurable defects that can be here? What reply can be prepared? It is giving advice. Not only giving the advice, it is also preparing a short draft reply. You can prepare a basic reply for the notice received from this notice navigation, or you can say Jawab Setu section. So this is little thing about notice navigator. Taxpedia e-consult. Again, this Taxpedia e-consult is same option as we shared in the GSTivity AI tab. That was GST AI. This is Taxpedia e-consult, similar option. Here you can prepare your link, share with the client, invite queries, and prepare the reply to the queries with help of AI regarding income tax. So that is for income tax, Taxpedia e-consult. And I was telling you that there is an additional feature for GSTivity module that is above 5,000. If you buy the full suit, that is separately you have to buy that for 4,000 plus GST. But here in this Taxpedia module, it is included in the Taxpedia subscription. It is included in the Taxpedia subscription as well. After that, we have international taxation module as well. Here so many DTAAs with regard to various countries has been updated here. After that, you will see here tax and compliance, where entire details regarding ITR forms, your various notifications, your do's and don'ts, due dates that are coming to track the entire ITR compliance, it is showing here. Then we have an interesting feature of compliance calendar. Like you can see in a given month, which due dates are coming in December. It is showing me the various due dates that are into picture, and I click on this and I can even create a beautiful poster and share the reminder to my client at which due date is coming. I can comply to that and give a tick mark that this has been complied by our firm. Then we have TDS TCS Setu, due dates here, comparison of rate charts with regard to new act, sections you can see that has changed for TDS TCS. Professionals were facing a very difficulty in the TDS section, so we created this TDS TCS Setu, in which everything you can get regarding TDS and TCS, the forms, the sections, the rates, the due dates, the calculators we have created here, like salary TDS, non-salary, property rent, interest. So we have created this calculators as well. Then we have calculators for your advanced tax, your computation. One of the interesting calculator here we have created is, you can see here, we have for capital gain Setu. Like I load an example for quick reference. Here suppose we have long-term capital gain on sale of residential property with section 54 reinvestment as well. Suppose this nature of asset here is there. Asset category I will select, the residential status I will select, the date of acquisition or cost of acquisition, the date of sale, the sale consideration, what is the stamp duty value. I pull the details here, and then the cost of improvement year wise I can put here. Then if I am reinvesting that amount as per section 54 sections, so I will put that detail also and click on this compute capital gain. Now the beauty is that it will give you the complete computation ready of your capital gain. And here it will also give you the dual option tax comparison. Like if you choose 20% with indexation, or if you choose 12.5% without indexation, what is the tax you have to pay, and which is the lower, it will calculate for you. And then the exemption calculator, that how much will be exempt, it can calculate that everything in the capital gain Setu. After that, we have small saving Setu calculators. And here if you go on to this income head Setu, we have few calculators for, you can see here, providing advice. Here you see calculators from gift taxability, lottery and casual income in the other sources, dividend, family pension. So other sources income calculators we have provided. For your reference, we have provided with the house property calculators also, types of house property. So you can entirely refer various heads of income in income head Setu, also provided with regard to various heads. So this is another feature, that is income head Setu in Taxpedia drafting and IT practice. So this was another important aspect. And right in the bottom you can see Taxpedia Connect. What we have done here, if you use any of our tool, be it GSTivity, be it Taxpedia, and one more tool is there that we are not going to demonstrate, that is LexGPT, but we have that tool in a bucket. So you can directly go to that tool also. So once you are working on any of our ecosystem tool, you can redirect, go to that tool. So this was about the second module as well of Taxpedia drafting and IT practice. So I have give you the little glimpse of Taxpedia and Kar Setu module. So hope you liked it. And if I talk about the subscription of this Taxpedia modules, we are offering Kar Setu Study and Research. I already told that is only 2,500 rupees plus GST per year. And you go for drafting and practice module, in which you get legal opinion, notice navigator, all the features are written here. Then it's just 4,000 plus GST for full year. And if you want to buy the entire full suit, then it's 6,000 plus GST full year. You can go for that. And again, for this webinar, you can see here 50% prices are slashed, so you can consider buying it, because we are offering at a discount till tomorrow midnight, like I told you. So you can go for that also. Now what I will do, you can write your queries in the chat section as well, or I will give you an panel link also. If you want to come here and want to ask something face to face, then also you can connect. And you can also write in the comment section, and then also we will take your query. So I once again thank you everyone for giving their valuable time on this Saturday evening and joining a webinar. Now this was all from my side, and now the session is yours. You can ask your queries, you can ask your doubts, you can interact with us. So whatever is, or you can directly write in the chat section, and then also we will take your query. So once again, I thank you for giving your valuable time on this all of the viewers out there for joining us, and also thanks the panel, CA Manoj Lamba sir, Mr. Suresh ji from Tamil Nadu for joining us. And in case any queries are there, you can anyhow join us or write us here only. We are here for another 8 minutes, like it was till 6:30. So we will close at 6:30 only. Just panel link. Just wait. For annual members, there is a discount on 20% on all of the books that will be available. Yes, sir. Ramesh sir, welcome. And for annual members who are having our annual membership, they will get 20% on all of the tools, all of the product. Like if you are an ammo code, and that will give you 20% discount. So just email us that I want to buy that tool. We will give you a promo code. You can apply that and your 20% you can get. So who are not aware about the annual membership, I would like to give it just 1 minute that we are having our Bizz Gyaan official annual membership, in which you have to pay just 2,500 plus GST for full year, and you get 10% off on our courses ebooks and 20% off on our all the AI tools that you buy. And further, you get one two webinar, only 20 to 24 webinars in an year for the price you pay. So in 2,500 you are getting more than 20 webinars for 1 year. You are getting additional 20% discount on AI tools. So it is a very economical buy. So the people who are not aware about the membership, I am telling about them. So you will get additional 20% above the discounts we are offering for annual membership. So I have pasted the link for joining as panelist also. Willing to ask something can ask, or write just in the chat section also. We are happy to address your queries. Ji? And till the time people are asking your queries, I would also request our associate, Mr. Suresh sir, to give a final conclusion and your feedback to for the tools you also. So the demo sir, how was the webinar, and kindly give your concluding remark for the same.
Thank you, CA Mukul Lamba ji, for such an insightful session. You clearly
Thank you
demonstrated
sir.
how tools like GSTivity AI and Kar Setu AI are transforming tax audit and legal drafting into a far more efficient process. For all our professional colleagues attendee today, adopting this AI tool will directly save us our hours on research and significantly boost our accuracy. We will now open to QA session. Thank you, Mughal. If you feel free to contact with me directly, in my number is 98429 93195. In
Yes.
Tamil Nadu
Thank you sir.
participants, please call us my number if any queries
So the
are
people who are
related to.
joined from the state of Tamil Nadu, yes, thank you,
Yes.
sir. So the people who have joined from the state of Tamil Nadu and want to converse or ask something in local language or want to get support, you can get in touch with our partner, Mr. Suresh, sir, and he will be happy to respond. So with this, I think thank you, Asija sir. Thank you for your confirmation. Thank you, sir, for the remark. So with this, I think no more doubt are there, and participants have seen the demo and they will be using the trials in the coming day and get an idea that how these tools are working, and they will use it. And then definitely, I'm waiting for you feedback as well as your valuable subscription that you will be taking. So with this, I once again thank you everybody for joining us. So till then, Jai Hind, Vande Matram, bye bye. See you again in some other session. Thank you. Bye bye.